In this video, I'll detail how to enable background app refresh on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9, whether it is 41mm or 45mm with GPS or GPS and cellular, this video is going to show you how you can easily turn on background app refresh on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is press the digital crown once to take you to the app screen on your Apple Watch. Then click on the settings icon. This is going to take you to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and tap General. Once you selected General, scroll down. Then click on Background App Refresh. Then turn this on to enable Background App Refresh. Once you click on that, you'll see all the application that will be running in your Apple Watch background. You see that? Then that's how you can easily enable or turn on Background App Refresh on Apple Watch Series 9. To turn this off, just disable this. And this is going to disable all the background app refresh on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.